You are looking at earnings from a new method I discovered recently. As you see, it worked and made $1,854 so far. I'm going to share with you the 4 steps I did to do affiliate marketing with YouTube without making videos. I will also share 2 bonus tips to maximize your affiliate earnings. So don't skip any steps. Do these exact steps I show in this video so you can also start earning money with affiliate marketing. I will first show the manual way and then go to the automated way so you can scale this method and make more money with affiliate marketing. The first step is to find an affiliate product to promote and get the link. You can use any website like ClickBank, JVZoo, or Digistore24 to find affiliate products. I have created videos about these sites previously, so I won't repeat it here. Links to these videos are in the description. For this video, I will go with ClickBank and select the Spirituality New Age category. This blockbuster personal development looks like a good product. So let's go with this. Here it shows the initial amount, which means when someone buys this product through my affiliate link, I will get $43.85. If I can get 100 targeted people to this sales page every day, and out of that, 3 people went on to buy this product, then I will get $131. So how do you get people to this page for free? Keep watching. That will be step 2, 3, and 4. Next step is to find a good video related to the affiliate product. Go to YouTube and type a keyword related to your affiliate product. For this example, I will search for how to manifest. Now here is the first bonus tip to increase your affiliate earnings. You need to find a recent video with high views. The way you find that is by using this filter option in YouTube. For example, you filter results based on videos created this year. And if you want, you can also sort based on the view count. Click the video that you think viewers will want to watch. Right click on the video and then copy the video URL. Keep watching. I will tell you in a minute what you need to do with that video link. The next step is about how to share your affiliate link. Most sites don't allow you to share your affiliate link directly on their site. So you are not going to link directly to your affiliate offer. Instead, this is what you need to do. You need to create a snip. There is a website called Sniply. Create a free account and then click on Visit Dashboard. Next, click on Create Snip. Upload an image related to your affiliate product and then give a meaningful name. Since I'm promoting a spirituality product, I will enter a related image and a related name. This will show up as your brand. Once you're done with it, it will show up here. Then select button as the type. It will show you a page like this where you need to enter details. This is very important to make it work, so pay close attention. Where it says enter a URL, paste the YouTube video link you copied from step 2. Next, there is a place to set a message and a button text. Now, here is the next bonus tip. Your goal is to get the user to click this and go to your affiliate offer. You need to use a strong call to action. Basically, it's a phrase that's used to tell the user exactly what action to take and how to take it. For example, here I'm going to write, ready to transform your life? Click here. For the button URL, paste your affiliate link which you got from step 1. When you are done, the page will look something like this. You will see the YouTube video on top and the snip you created. The idea here is that someone that watches this video will click on this button here, which will take them to the sales page with your affiliate link. That's why it's very important that you have a good video that people watch through. Which brings us to the 4th step, getting targeted traffic to the page you just created. If you promote this page to random people, you are not going to make any money. Targeted traffic means people that are already interested in this subject and the product you have to offer. So how do you find people for free? There are many free methods. I will show you the exact method that worked for me. That is Facebook groups. I will first show you the manual method and then a way to automate this method to get more targeted traffic, which in turn makes more money. Starting with the manual method, go to the search bar and type a keyword related to your affiliate product. In this case, I will type law of attraction. You need to join a couple of groups. This is a group that I have already joined, so let me create a post. I will add some text and then add the link copied in step 3. Here, I'm not going to link directly to any offer, so you won't get banned from the group. But make sure not to spam the group. You see the post here. Now, just one post like this will not generate that much of traffic, which also means the money you will make will be low. You need to post to multiple groups, and that's time consuming. By using a tool like this, you can just select groups that you want to publish your message and send it out. I will leave the link to this tool in the description below. Here you see it allows to post to multiple groups at once. If you want, you can have multiple Facebook accounts as well. To avoid the ban, they have features like unique ID, unique links, and so forth. You can also repeat the same post after some time. The pricing is low compared to other products out there. You can cover this amount based on the affiliate commissions you earn. For example, I just need to sell one product to cover this cost of the basic plan. To me, the investment is worthwhile versus the time I have to spend if I go to promote these manually on Facebook. So the decision is up to you. There are other free ways to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube without creating videos. Watch this video next.